Hello students, a very good morning to all. This is your math class and today we are going to start our exercise 2B, and here we need to simplify these questions. Okay, first we have taken question number first. There are two parts. Let us see how I will solve. Okay, previously I also have discussed a rule, that is BODMAS rule. Okay, this is the BODMAS rule. Okay, what it means? It means that B signify bracket. We have to solve bracket first, then this is the order sequence. Okay, first we need to solve the sum in bracket, then of, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay, if there are various operation given, then which need to be operated first, this is the order, this is the sequence. Okay, so here see that this is 5 2 by 3 divided by 2 minus 1 upon 2. Okay, first there are 5 2 by 3, it is in mixed fraction. We need to convert first this into the improper one. What it will be? 3 into 5 plus 2 upon 3. Okay, we need to convert this mixed fraction into improper one. 3 5 is 15, 15 plus 2 17, that is 17 upon 3 divided by 2 minus 1 upon 2. Okay, again here there are two operations, it is division and subtraction. Division comes first, so we need to operate division first. As you know that when division is converted to multiplication, we will take the reciprocal of 2. 2 का क्या हो जाएगा? रेसिप्रोकल. As you know that 2 के जो नीचे मतलब डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है? 1 है. अगर कोई भी नंबर दिया है उसको हम लिख सकते हैं 2 upon 1, 3 दिया 3 upon 1, so 2 upon 1 है. और जब इसको मल्टीप्लाई में चेंज करेंगे then it what will happen, we will take reciprocal of 2, that is 1 upon 2, और बाकी यहाँ पर जो चीज है वो ऐसे ही हम लिख देंगे. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व इट आउट. सॉल्व कर सकते हैं क्या? There is any common factor? There is no common factor. So it will be 17 into 1, that is 17, और डिनोमिनेटर मल्टीप्लाई होगा डिनोमिनेटर के साथ, that is 3 into 2, that is 6. 17 upon 6. Again minus 1 upon 2. So we need to take LCM of 2 and 6. Okay, LCM of 2 and 6. Last time I have told you how to calculate out. So here the LCM of 6 and 2 will be 6. You can calculate it out also by self. Now again denominator is 6, don't need to do anything. Here denominator is 2. We need to change it to 6. We need to multiply 2 by 3 and also the numerator also by 3. Okay, we need to multiply same number to the denominator also and to the numerator also. What will happen? It will be 17 upon 6 minus 3 upon 6. Okay, the denominators are same, so we can take it here. 17 minus 3, it is what it will be? It will be 14 upon 6. Also we can write it as 2 by 6 in mixed fraction. So this is the answer. Let us see the second one. What is the second one? In the second one it is 5 2 by 3. So just write the question again. Okay, so just write the mixed fraction into improper one. 3 5 15 plus 2 17 by 3. It is division sign. Again here it is in bracket. I have told you it is B comes first, so we have to solve the sum inside the bracket first. What is this? 2 minus 1 upon 2. Okay, I have told you if there is nothing in the denominator, it will be 1. 2 can be written as 2 upon 1. So here it is 1. We have to take the LCM, so it will be 2 to the 4. Okay, again taking the LCM and solving it out, it will be what? Let us see. 4 minus 1, 3 upon 2. Again only division is there. Okay, I have told you when division converted to multiplication, we will take the reciprocal. Denominator becomes the numerator and numerator becomes the denominator. Okay, again what it will be? Is there something common between numerator and denominator so as to cancel out? No, there is nothing. So multiply 17 into 2, that is 34, and 3 into 3 it is 9. Okay, This is an improper fraction. We can convert it into mixed one by dividing. Okay. So the quotient will be the whole number. Okay. 9 will be the denominator and the remainder will be the numerator. So what it will be? 9 4s are 36, 9 3s are 27. Okay. 9 3s are 27, 7 is the remainder, 7 will be the numerator and 9 will be the denominator. So 3 7 by 9. Let us see the next question. Let's take the question number 2, that is 1 upon 4 of 2 by 7 divided by 3 upon 5. Okay. So here what is in mixed fraction converted into the improper one, 7 to the 14, 14 plus 2, that is 16 upon 7 and divided by 3 by 5. Okay, as you know that here it is off. I have told you bracket off come first and there is division. Off come first, division comes later on. So we will operate off. That is, off is also known as multiplication. But when off is there, we need to operate it first before the division. So it will be 1 upon 4 into 16 upon 7 divided by 3 upon 5. Okay. Here there is something common between the numerator and the denominator. So cancel out 4 on the 4, 4 4 the 16. So it will be 4 upon 7 divided by 3 upon 5. Again, I have told you when the division converts to multiplication, it will be the reciprocal. Denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. Is there anything common between the numerator and denominator? 4, 3, 5, 7, nothing. So just multiply them. It will be 4 into 5, that is 20. 7 into 3, it will be 21. It is a proper fraction. We cannot convert it into the mixed one. So this is the final answer. Now let us see the question number 4th. Okay. Taking the first one of 4th, first part, that is 1 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 4. Okay. Now there is a division also, there is a bracket. Okay. So bracket comes first, division comes later on. Okay. So we will operate the things, the sum that is inside the bracket. Here it is 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 4. Is there something common factor between numerator and denominator? Nothing. 1, 3, 1, 4, no. Nothing common. So just multiply 1 into 1, it will be 1, and 4 into 3, this is 12. Okay. Now again, this division converts to multiplication. Okay, what happens? We will take the reciprocal. Okay. Now, is there anything common? Yeah, there is something common, that is 2 into 1, 2 6 are 12. 6 into 1, 6, and 6 1 upon 1. We just don't need to write the numerator, denominator, that is 1. So it will, the answer will be 6. Let us see second part of 4th. What is that? It is 1 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 4. Here there are two operations. First is division, another is multiplication. Division comes first, multiplication comes later on. So operate division first. What is that? Division converts to multiplication. We will take the reciprocal, that is 3 upon 1 and that is 1 upon 4. Okay. Now, is there something common factor between numerator and denominator? Nothing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4 or nothing. So just multiply all the numerators. 1 into 3, 3. 3 into 1, that will be 3. Again, 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 4, that will be 8. So the final answer is 3 upon 8. Now let us see the remaining questions. Is 5 upon 13 of 1 minus 2 upon 11 divided by 100 upon 1001. Again, here there are three operations. One is of, bracket and division. Okay, which comes first? Let us see. Bracket comes first, then comes off. So we need to operate the bracket one first. Okay. So 1 minus 2 upon 11. What is the denominator of 1? That is 1. Okay. So we will take the LCM. It will be 11. Multiply the denominator as well as numerator by 11. So it will be 11 minus 2 upon 11 divided by 100 upon 1001. Again, it is 5 upon 13 of 11 minus 2. It is 9. That is 9 upon 11 divided by 100 upon 1001. Okay, again it will be, now there are two operations left out, off and division. Off comes first, then come division. So operate off first. Off is multiplication 9 upon 11, okay, divided by 100 upon 1001. Operate it first because it is off. Off comes first. Okay, so is there something common factor? Nothing is common. 5 into 9, 45. Again, 11 into 13. It is divided by 100 upon 1001. Okay, so I have told you that when the division converted to multiplication, we will take the reciprocal. So I have taken the reciprocal. Again, is there something common between numerator and denominator? Lot of things to do. Let us see. 5 9 is 45, 5 20, 100 हो गया. Again, in both this 11 we have to cut by 11. 11 9 is 99, 11 1 is 11. Again 11 it will be 13. Okay, again 13 and 91. 13 7 times it is 91. Okay, so 7, 9 and 20. Is there anything common? No, nothing. 9 into 7, that is 63 upon 20. This is the improper fraction. We can write it also in the mixed one. That is 20 into 3, that is 60. 3 ऊपर आ गया, यहाँ पे हो गया. Divide कर लोगे, you will do it. 20 into 3 plus 3, 63. So 3 by 20 is the final answer. Now let us see the sixth one. What is it? 3 1 upon 18 into 2 minus 5 upon 11 divided by 5 by 16. Okay. So just convert all the mixed to improper. 18 into 3, 54. 54 plus 1, 55. That is 55 by 18. Okay. So this is the thing. Multiply 2 minus 5 by 11 divided. Again convert it into improper. 16 into 5. That will be 80. Okay. 80 plus 5, 85. Okay. 85 by 16. Okay. Now let us see. Multiplication, bracket and division. Bracket will be operated first according to BODMAS rule. So it will be 55 upon 18 into. Okay. Now again denominator is 1. Okay. Here it is 11. 11 and 1 LCM is 11. Again taking the LCM, 11 to the 22 minus 5 divided by 85 upon 16. Let us solve it out further. What it will be? 22 minus 5, that is 17 upon 11. Division 85 upon 16. There are two operations left, multiplication and division. Division comes first, then multiplication. So division will be operated first. What it happens when division is converted to multiplication, we will take reciprocal, that is 16 upon 85. Okay, now all the signs are of multiplication. So let us cancel out the common factors. Let us see. 11 5 times, it will be 55. Okay, now 17 and 85. 17 5 times, that will be 85. Okay, here it is also 5, it is also 5. So 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5. Cancel out. Again 16 and 18. We can cut 2 8 is 16, 2 9 is 18. Is there something left? Nothing is there which is common. So the final answer is 8 upon 9. It is an proper fraction. We cannot convert it into the mixed one. So this was all for today. Do your homework. Do the classroom and your classroom copy and homework in the homework copy. Take care. Keep studying. Goodbye.